everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about how you're able to control media on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now that means if you're playing music from your cell phone or if you're playing it through a Bluetooth speaker. So media is able to be found if you pull down the quick notification panel. You can see all your settings on the top, and right below there is media. You might have seen this before, but you didn't really know exactly how you can interact with it and how it can benefit you. You also have your Samsung SmartThings here, so you can connect everything. You can see everything in one spot. Now, inside of media, this is what we're going to talk about today. You have app shortcuts. Now, originally, when you first open this up, you might not see any shortcuts being shown. So I'm just going to take those away. You might see this right here. You can actually tap that, and then it's a way that you're able to open up any type of media application that is downloaded on your phone. So right now we're gonna go with YouTube Music as well as YouTube. Now the nice things with this one is that it's just simply a shortcut. It's a way that you can open up that application extremely quick. You know, if you're gonna be listening to music or watching YouTube, you're able to control it and open it there. Now my favorite example with using this media control on the top is, let's say that we pull these out and then we wanted to listen to some music. So right now we got music that will be coming out of here in just a second. You can see right there that my audio output is going through my Pixel Buds. And let's just go through, let's open up the YouTube Music app here. Now we're listening to some music. They're actually coming from the buds themselves, but maybe you would want somebody else to listen to this, or maybe you want to have it either coming out of your cell phone or another Bluetooth speaker. All you'd have to do is pull this down. Now some people might just turn off Bluetooth, but then that means everything is unpaired, even your watch, and all you wanted to do is have someone else listen. All you'd have to do is just go right inside of media and then tap on my phone. And then now it's coming out of the cell phone. Now you can move it right back over into the Pixel Buds. And then if there's any other audio output that was available, you can also, push it through that way. Now the other three icons that you see right here, you have Music Share. And then you also have this one, which is a Smart View. It's a way that you're able to push things to, like, let's say a TV, and it'll mirror your phone's screen, or it'll play the content there. So this would either be playing the song and also showing the album artwork on a TV. Then you also have your volume. So if you want to tap that real quick, you can also bring up and down the volume this way. But really my main focus underneath this media section is switching the audio output. This is one of those things that's just super fast, super easy. You don't have to disconnect and then reconnect. You just move it to where you want it to go, and it's simple as pie. Now, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the